Oleander, also known as Nerium oleander, is a summer-flowering evergreen shrub native to Asia and the Mediterranean region. It is hardy to about 15 degrees Fahrenheit. This is an excellent plant for tough sites, tolerant of heat, drought, and air pollution, drying winds, salt spray, and sandy, dry soils. It can be found growing very well in bright exposed sites with no irrigation and minimal maintenance. Oleander makes a wonderful screening or enclosure plant in sunny areas. It can also form a fine backdrop or integral component of a mixed border. With some 400 varieties available, there's a wide choice of flower, color, and size. All parts of this plant are toxic when ingested. Therefore, it should not be planted near children's play areas or pet yards. Place in a protected setting, moist, rooted, medium, moderate shade, and high humidity, until rooted in a 3 to 4 week time period. Oleander reaches a height of 6 to 12 feet with similar spread. Renewal pruning is a great way to maintain a vigorous and healthy plant. This could be done at most any time, but generally late winter is a good time to perform such maintenance. Look for plants with multiple stems and even branching. A deep green foliage color is indicative of a healthy plant which will more readily adapt to your new site.